We'll guide you through how to download any YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. And so you've downloaded a video and now you're wondering where can you go and find it. So to get started, I'm going to go and download a video. So I'm going to go and search for GuideRealm. Then what we're going to do here is come to the GuideRealm channel and I'll just go and find a video I want to go and do this with. Then what we're going to do is go and scroll down. We can come to the right, press the three dots and go and press download. And it's now downloading. You can see it says downloaded and you're wondering where it's gone. So to go and find it, what you can do is you can come back to the main YouTube homepage. You don't actually have to, but what you need to do is go and press those three lines in the top left like this. And this opens up the side list of options. And then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down into the U section and you go and find the option for downloads. Now, if you don't have an internet connection and you visit youtube.com, you should also go and see the option for downloads when you expand it as well. It sort of has a cached version of the site. Go and click on it and you can then go and see your downloads and you can click on them and watch them.